we'll be discussing from this like NTSC 2020 and 21 most expected questions I have picked: coding and decoding and puzzle test, analogy, mathematical operation, and logical thinking area. So we'll be looking into the first questions in this class like this. In some language, xn is coded as fybn. In the same language, how will we code result? So this is what the question. If you can write and do, that would be better, because I already
Sir,
said.
option 1, sir.
Wonderful. Let's see. So can I get the example? Like, can you explain to me that how it is, Sharon?
Sir, so E is given as F, sir. So
Okay.
in result, the second letter is E, and in option A, second letter is F, sir.
So you said that E is given as F and X is given as Y. Am I right? A is given as B and M is given as N. Am I right? Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So hope all of you are able to understand this. All of you, Aditya, kindly respond to me. I said
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Respond.
Yes, sir.
Speak to me. Right. Okay. So hope you're talking to me now. So let's see, the answer is in this case SFTVMU. Option A is correct. Let's see. So as it is already mentioned, I've given you an explanation of the answer. So this is the way the answer has been found. Now let's see. In a certain code, Delhi capital is coded as 759. The sentence capital are beautiful is coded as 369. Delhi is beautiful is coded as 675. Also Patna also capital is coded as 924. What is the code for beautiful in this code? So Hemant, what is your thinking? Hemant, where are you?
Sir,
Yeah. So what do you think?
sir, 6, sir.
Don't switch off your videos, anyone. Like when I check, it should be available. Yeah. Okay. So what is that you think? 6. Okay. What we are able to understand from this? Can somebody tell me? What are we able to understand from this? Who will tell me? Hello. Who can tell me? Divya Shakti. Can you tell me what are you able to understand from this?
The capital are beautiful is coded
Okay.
by sir.
Gopi Krishna. Gopi Krishna, are you there? Are you working out? Mayuka.
Yes, sir.
So what is that you are guessing and how you are going to work out?
Sir, I don't know, sir, actually.
Yeah, see what happens in this? Very simple. Look at this. In a certain code, okay? In a certain code, Delhi is capital. Okay, Delhi is capital, we know that. It is coded as 759. Okay? Now, the sentence capital are beautiful. The sentence which talks about capital are beautiful, it is coded as 369. Delhi is beautiful is coded as 679, 675. Also Patna also capital is coded as 924. What is the code for beautiful in this code? So what will happen? Sharon, you are switching off your video. Sharon, where are you?
Sir, my camera is on, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. My internet is weak. I'll rejoin, sir.
So what is happening? Maunita, where is Aditya? Aditya, tell me here, what is your understanding from this question?
I wrote down all the given sentences and the numbers.
This was one of the questions which is asked in 2016 NTSC. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this question is asked in the year of 2016 in NTSC. In mental ability, second question was this. In mental ability, second question was this. So in a certain code, Delhi is capital, is coded as 759. So I think the Delhi's code is 7 here. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And capital would be written as
Sir, 9.
3.
But then the next sentence
9,
capital
sir.
is 3.
the
And then the
sentence
last sentence capital is 4.
capital are beautiful. So what will be that is coded as 369. And Delhi is beautiful, which is coded as 675. Also Patna also capital, which is coded as 924. What is the code for beautiful in this code?
6, sir.
6.
6.
6. Why? Why it is 6?
Sir, Delhi in the first sentence and the third sentence, the number repeating is 7, sir. So that Delhi's number is 7, sir.
Okay.
And capital in the first sentence and the last sentence is it is repeating, sir. So that the number for capital is 9, sir.
Okay.
So that Delhi in the third sentence, Delhi is beautiful. Is repeating in first and 3, sir. So that 5 is the number for is, sir. And remaining in the third sentence is 6, sir. So that beautiful 6.
Okay. Let's see. So I think your guessing is correct. To solve codes like these, remember the order of the numbers may be anything. For example, Delhi is capital and Delhi is beautiful. We can see that the words Delhi are common, and thus we can see that the capital is 9. Okay. What happens here? For example, Delhi is capital and Delhi is beautiful. We can see that the word Delhi is common in both the area. Okay. And thus we can see that the capital is 9 and beautiful is 6. Understood now? Shall we go to the question again and look at it? What has happened? See the question again. Let's see the question again. Let's see the question again, okay? So see, one thing which I wanted to make it very clear that when I'm asking you to switch on the video, it is important that the teacher should feel that how a student is sitting in the class, which is for the benefiting of the student. Because I know, looking at each one of you, how much trust you are, how you're looking at it, whether you're able to understand or not, everything I can watch. So that it will be better for me to make each and everyone understand. Otherwise, it will be just like that I will keep on dragging, keep on reading the classes, which I don't want to do it. So, okay, let's see the next one. So, next one question, what is the code for Patna is beautiful here? Let's see the first question. Remember, this is followed from the first question. Previous question, in Delhi is capital.
Option A, sir.
From that only you have to take. What is the code for Patna is beautiful? You have to give me an explanation also if option A is correct or option B is correct. We see the first question. We say here in certain code Delhi is capital and Delhi is beautiful. Both the area Delhi is common word, so we have taken it as what? Then next is capital. So what happens here? Adil, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divya Shakti, I can't see you. So let's see. So Sharon told me it is, what was your answer, Sharon? That option A.
Sir, option A, sir. 756.
756. Can I ask Aditya, any of you, like Aditya and Divya Shakti, do you have any thinking?
Sir, 756, sir. Beautiful is 6, sir.
Okay.
Patna is beautiful. We
This
don't
is
get many of
6 is beautiful. You said 6 is beautiful. Hemant, I think could not understand this at all. Hemant,
Sir.
you could not understand, I think so.
Yes, sir.
You should ask, right? Keep on listening here. This is not a drama. We're going to finish it off. Ask me. So I said that question has come from this question. That means number coding. Example. So see, from this question only that question is asked. So in a condition here, in a certain code, Delhi is capital is coded as 759. So we know the answer here actually. For example, Delhi is capital. Delhi is capital. Delhi is beautiful. Both the word we know. So we can see that the word Delhi is common, and thus we can see that the capital is 9 and beautiful is 6. So therefore, the next question which we have asked here, what is the code for Patna is beautiful? So beautiful must be 6. The last word must be 6. In that case, it could
Sir,
be.
sir, at 6:30 I'm having a test to do, sir. Shall I complete it and rejoin, sir?
No, I will not allow you. You can leave if you want permanently, but I will not allow you. Next.
So school test, sir.
Nothing can be done, my dear. It's up to you. So the next one, see, look at this. So the answer is going like this. Let us see if we can figure it out word for word. Okay, word for word. We already know that the code for beautiful is 6. From the code, Delhi is beautiful as 675. We see that East may be represented by 7 or 5. If you take a look at the code, Delhi is capital, which is present as 759. We notice that we can't get the code for East as the data is not sufficient. So the correct option is E, data is insufficient. Where is Sharon? Sharon, are you? Sharon, are you able to understand what I said?
Sir, yes.
Look at this. Aditya, can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read
Let's
it.
see if we can figure it out word for word. We already know that the code for beautiful is 6.
Okay. That part are you able to understand? Everyone is able to understand from the first question. It says that the beautiful is 6. Next.
From the code Delhi is beautiful as 675, we see that East may be represented by 7 or 5.
Okay.
If we take a look at the code Delhi is capital, which is present as 759, we notice that we can't get the code for us as the data is not sufficient. So
Right.
the answer is option E, data insufficient.
Understood. Right. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Look at the next question. If LEST is written as that, I've given some symbols here, some signs here, at, dollar, and hash. So NAC is written as percentage, question mark, and there is a star. Kind of a star. So how candle is called in the same way? Mayuka, this is based out of picture. We can call it as like this question. These questions.
Sir, option B. Sir.
Option B. Option B. Who said that?
Shab.
Okay. Yeah, let's go with one or two more people. Mayuka is confused here. Mayuka, I think now you're not practicing mental ability questions at all. My dears, please understand one thing, like as an IITian, I can tell you very clearly, if you wanted to get into the best of the colleges in the world, your analytical ability is very important along with your maths problem solving skill. Unless until this happens, it will be really difficult. Don't think that just copying from one place to another place through your brain. That will only happen. So practicing mental ability will definitely create a lot of involvement in you and a lot of energy in you, and that will definitely lead you to the next level of problem solving. That is what is required for a student today. The biggest challenging option is available for any student, that there only a student will only with a capacity of problem solving a student will be placed. You don't think that you just you decide first, are you part of the problem or are you part of the solution? If you are part of the problem, I don't have a problem, because you always have a daily number of problems. If you are part of the solutions, then you think yourself. So here Sharon has calculated and said B. Sharon, can I know how it is and why?
Sir, in the given C is given as asterisk, sir.
Okay.
And then A is given as question mark, sir.
Very good. Very good. So we can see N. N from where you have taken?
N is percentage.
All right.
And D is hashtag.
D is what? D is hash.
Sir, but D is given as hash, sir, but here it is and.
So then option will be what? Which option will be correct? Is it option B or option A?
Sir, other options are wrong, sir.
Other options are
I
wrong.
think none of these.
Yes, sir. Only
Which option could be correct?
Sir, B is correct, sir, but
B
the
should be correct, sir, but the D part alone is wrong, sir.
and the last one, sir. Hashtag would not come, sir.
Yeah, I have
And would
the answer also. Let's see. In the code, yeah, B is the correct, but in here I have a written correct. I think I have written correct here. Percentage, question mark, percentage, and at. I think here I have written correct, right? Hello.
sir, no, sir.
Here also D and
Yes,
What
sir.
is
He mistake.
what is the correct one?
Sir, star, question
Star?
mark,
Star, question mark,
percentage,
percentage.
hash,
Hash and should be
At-
interchangeable.
Okay. So it should be star, question mark, percentage. This should be hash. And should be hash. Next.
hash should be answer.
Okay. And at should be.
Sir, the
Sir,
same
only
set.
and hash should be interchanged.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. Okay. So star, question mark, percentage, at, and dollar, hash. Am I right? Hello.
yes, sir.
Yes,
So let's correct it. Maybe I typed it wrongly. So please do correct it. Okay. Next one. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Sadhana Shri and Sahana, Maunita and all is not talking to me. Are you guys are with me?
Yes, sir.
Monita, where is Monita? Monita said yes. Okay. Divya Shakti, why you are silent? Okay, let's go to the next one. Mayuka, it's very clearly shows that in the beginning you were very much doing all these works and you were okay for doing this. But now if you see that all your other members, okay, in the batch who are all there, who joined after you, have picked up all these questions, but you are behind. You are totally behind. You are not at all able to do this. Right, okay. Let's see the next one. Look at this. The total of the ages, okay, Ammar, Akbar and Anthony is 8 years. What was the total of their ages 3 years ago? Hello? Are you all with me? This question is asked in NTSC 2013. The question was taken from NTSC 2000.
Sir, 71, sir.
71, sir. Yes, sir.
So can, like I think Sharon and all didn't work out so far. Sharon, Divya Shakti and all didn't work out. I would like to get, see, boys have told me, I would like to get answer from girls. Mayuka should tell me that what is the method to solve this, Mayuka. Mayuka, analytical. See, I think I have to speak to your father tomorrow. I'll be talking to him. See, thinking is like this. See, analytical ability has to be improved, my dear. Problem solving capacity is the best ability of a student. How to solve a problem. Only then you can survive in the world. I won't say that mathematics is everything. I never said that. I said the capacity to solve a problem analytically. Right? Okay. The next one. So look at this, the answer of this. I think, see, boys have already told, it seems, I think, who said that to me? Aditya have told me, right? Hemant have told me, I think so. Not Hemant. Gopi Krishna, where are you?
Sir.
You said the answer to me or Hemant said it?
Sir, I am an Aditya, sir.
You and Aditya said, okay. So, Hemant, are you able to understand the question? Hemant, can you tell me what is asked here? Hemant, speak up.
Sir, the total age of Ammar, Akbar and Anthony is 80, sir.
Okay. When? Now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what was the total of their ages 3 years ago, yeah? What we have to do? Sharon, what we have to do, yeah? Sharon,
Sir, we have to subtract.
What we will subtract? How and what? Very simple question. How do we subtract this? What we have to do? Tell me the steps. Ashwat, I'm coming back to you. You are silent. I know that you are silent, sitting silent. I think I've shown you the answer. I just have to get here. See, girls are not. Divya Shakti, not talking here. Where are you?
Sir,
You are one and you was very much interested for NTSC, and you are the one looking closer for NTSC. This is NTSC question. Answer me. What will happen? How do we do this?
sir, let the ages of 3 be X,
Let the ages
Y, and Z, sir.
Let me see.
X, Y, and Z, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, listening.
So X plus Y plus Z equal to, so can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Talk to me.
Sir,
Sir,
X plus Y plus Z equal to 80, sir.
Okay. X plus Y is
The X,
plus Z is 80. Okay.
so X minus 3 plus Y minus 3 plus Z minus 3 equal to X plus Y plus Z minus 9, sir. So 80 minus 9, 71 years, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my answer is D option.
Option D. Okay, let's see now. So required sum 80 minus 3 into X years. 80 minus 9, which is 71 years. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So which is 80 minus 3 into X, which is 9, and 8 years, which is equal to 80 minus 9, which is 71 years. Mayuka, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go to the next one. Look at this problem. This is taken from NTSC 2014. 2 bus tickets from city A to B and 3 tickets from city A to C cost rupees 77. But 3 tickets from city A to B and 2 tickets from A to C cost rupees 73. What are the fares for cities B and C from A? I can't see Gopi Krishna. Yesterday, I was talking to a professor in IIT Delhi. His name is Josmon. Okay, Josmon Jacob. He's a metallurgy professor. What he was telling is that, sir, there are no students available currently with what you call fastest problem solving capacity. And he was also telling me there are very less patent available. Patent, you know, are you able to understand what is patent mean by patent? Can somebody tell me what is patent?
When you own something, the right over this legally, you can get it by patent so that the others don't copy the idea and make something out of it.
Ah, very good. So, whether girls are able to understand what is patent? So, patent is something like we get awarded for something we publish or we give an idea, we develop it and we give it to the government and government implements it, and we'll be able to do a lot of, we'll be able to get fundings. So, but now to receive fundings, there are no students. Can you imagine? To receive funding, there are no students. What it stands? What it shows? It shows that there are no students with the capacity to develop something. Let's take in the last, okay, I'll ask Sharon, Aditya and all. Can you tell me last 10 years what is developed in India by students? Or what are all the inventions which we have done in India which has been recognized globally, which has been awarded globally? You as a student, you tell me that in the last 10 years, okay, nothing is done. Okay, so if you say to me that nothing is done greatly, my question would be like this: next 10 years, you are going to live as a student, probably. So, what will be your inputs? What will be your inputs? Have you ever thought of it like last 10 years, Aditya? Last 10 years, what is developed in our country?
Sir, nothing, sir. Nothing great.
Which is awarded internationally, which has been awarded internationally, and which is the most recognized part of it. Nothing is there. So let's see. So what is the kind of calculation which you are doing here, you guys? What are you able to understand from this? Let me understand. 2 bus tickets from city A to B and 3 tickets from city A to C cost 77. So what will be the first point which you have to write? Alright, what is the
We have to
first?
form a equation, sir.
We have to form?
Equation.
Okay. What is the first point we have to write? I said.
Let x be the fare or something.
Tell me. Where is Mayuka and all? Mayuka, Divya Shakti and all is not at all talking to me. Hemant is completely silent. Hemant, where are you here? Actually, how are you going to achieve numbers? How do you reach to IIT and all? How will you reach to NITs? How will you study in best of the universities taking fund from government? Why do you want to spend?
Sir, option B is the correct answer.
Sorry?
Sir,
Option
option D, 17 and 13.
17 and 13. So
I
how?
got 13 and 17.
Aditya, tell me how that has been done.
Sir, as they've told from C, 2 bus tickets from A to B and A to C are 77. So if we take the bus ticket from A to B as X and A to C as Y, 2X plus 3Y is equal to 77.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, next.
3X plus 2Y is equal to 73.
Good.
So it's like linear equation. If you simplify it, I got X is equal to 13 and Y is equal to 17. So that's option B for me.
Look at this. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Let rupees X be the fare of city B from city A and rupees Y be the fare of city C from city A. You as a mathematics students, you should be able to understand, or you should be ready, or you should be in a calculative mind. Whenever we have to use a variable, immediately you have to take it and form an equation. Hello? When you frame an equation only, you'll be able to find it. So equation 1 which talks about then 2x plus 3y which is equal to 77. Equation 1. Equation 2 is 3x plus 2y which is equal to 73. Divya Shakti, not talking to me here. Where are you?
Sir, I'm here, sir.
I'm listening. Gopi Krishna, where are you? I can't see him. Gopi Krishna. Mayuka, maybe Mayuka, you come and meet me next week any day after Deepavali. I will call you, come to the center with your parents, or you come there in the morning, or spend some time with me like 1 hour or 2 hours. Like we'll see your. I wanted to check your notes and I want to check your working areas and all. Whatever classes you have attended in Guruji, I would like to see all the notes. In the next week, I'll call you to the center. Don't come back to me, any student, don't come back to me saying that no result has come, mark is lost, XYZ, all those things. I may call you anytime to the center. This week, 11th standard is coming and we are checking 11th standard students. So mostly it is, I think almost it is over. 11th standard students, when I call and checked only, I understood that not everybody is perfectly writing the notes and practicing. And coming back to me and telling that I didn't get IIT, I didn't get NIT may not be the place, or I didn't get that mark, this mark, nothing will work out here. So any time from next week, you will be called. You will be asked to come to the center for 1 day and showing me all the notes. Mayuka will be called immediately. Mayuka, Sadhana Shri and all, I'll ask to come next week. Just come there and spend some time with me and other teachers. Let's understand what have you done in your notebooks and how you are prepared, and we would like to see all your test reports and everything. Right, let's see. So hope everyone is copied this. Gopi Krishna. Gopi Krishna, are you there? Answer me fast, Gopi Krishna. So removing Gopi Krishna, not listening to me. Right. Ashwata, are you there? Okay. So let's move to the next question. Let's see the next question here. A similar kind of a problem. I expect this answer from Divya Shakti, and Aditya should not do this. Divya Shakti and Satana Shri, then option C goes to Sharon, will tell at the last, not from the boys' side. Next question will go to Hemant. So the question, let's see the question. A pineapple costs ₹7 each. A watermelon costs ₹5 each. Expense ₹38 on these fruits. The number of pineapples purchased is dash.
Sir, data insufficient, sir.
Who said that? Divya Shakti. Okay, next goes to Sadhana Shri. Sadhana Shri, what is your understanding? What is your understanding?
Still doing.
Your videos off. Tell me. Mayuka, can you?
Sir, just a minute.
Monita, can you tell me? Monita.
Sir, doing, sir.
I think Sharon would have completed. Sharon.
Sir, I got x is equal to 4, sir.
What is equal to 4?
X is equal.
Okay, now I go with Aditya. Where is Aditya? Aditya, tell me.
Sir, we can number of pineapples bought can be 4.
How?
Sir, we don't have two equations over here, sir.
Okay.
So we can't do elimination substitution. But if you look at trial error method, if I keep x as pineapple and y as watermelon,
okay,
then if x, then by 1, 2, 3, if you put 4, sir, 28, and y can be data insufficiency. I went wrong.
Now remember last year in NTSC examination, total 13 students participated from Guruji. Okay, 13 students. In that one 11th standard, one qualifier is there. Okay, Rakesh Ram, one student is there who qualified last year. Out of 13, one student, 2 levels who qualified, and 2 students, one Joshua, another one Yogeshwar, 2 students just lost for 1 mark. Lost for 1 mark. So here, what I am trying to tell you is the practice, how much you are able to practice. So, and how you are doing it. So let's see how this is. Option C, let the number of pineapple and watermelon be x and y respectively. Then 7x plus 5y, which is equal to 38, or 5y, which is equal to 38 minus 7x. Are you able to understand that part? All right. Or y is equal to 38 minus 7x by 5. So clearly y is a whole number only when 38 minus 7x is divisible by 5. This happens when x is equal to 4. Copy this answer, read and understand again, practice it again. If you still have doubts, then you ask me. Monita, I can't see you, Monita. Divya Shakti, are you copying this?
Sir, can you see me, sir?
Yes, I can see you now. Divya Shakti, are you copying?
Yes, sir.
Right, let's move on to the next one. So let's go to the next one. There's a question here. And this kind of question normally comes in Olympiad exams as well as NTSC examinations every year. see, NSCJS notification has come. I hope you would have all of you would have videos which is sent from Guruji. Have you all got it? Hello. Olympiad exams. Did you get it, Aditya?
Video, sir.
We have sent a small video to all the students. Did you get it?
No, sir.
Okay, but have you got any information from Guruji about Olympiad exams?
No, I didn't get any. Last thing I got was NTSC, regarding NTSC.
Application starts now. You can call to the center anytime. You can come and apply there. Okay, we are having the applications. So if you can do online, we will guide you. And let's see. If not, then it's about a 1 hour activity. You can come anytime, and we will help you to do that. Okay, Olympiad exam.
NSCJS, sir.
Yes, National Standard Examination for Junior Science. Okay, Divya Shakti, you can check tomorrow with Kausalya madam. Call Kausalya madam tomorrow in Guruji Center and ask about this exam. It is similar to NTSC and try for it. It is another scholarship exam conducted by IAPT, Indian Association of Physics Teachers. And from there, students are taken international level for many competitions based on the science. Based on science, okay? Hello, Divya, are you hearing me? Divya? Okay. So, Sharon
Yes.
would have completed this question. Sharon, have you completed?
Sir, yes, sir.
What is
I
the
got 45.
45? What is 45? The women's age is 45.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir, so if I take like the woman's age is like I wrote 10x plus y is the woman's age, sir, and the husband's age is 10y plus x, sir.
One second. So a woman says, if you reverse my own age, the figure represents my husband's age. He is of course senior to me, and the difference between our ages 1/11 of their sum. The women's age is, so what have you understood here? 1/11 of their sum. One eleventh
of the total age.
1/11 of the total age. Okay. So what is the first equation which you have framed?
Sir, the woman's age I wrote 10x plus y, sir, and the
10.
husband's age is 10y plus x.
Husband's age is 10y plus
X, sir.
x. Okay, next one.
So I'm subtracting the woman's age from the husband's age, sir.
Okay.
So I wrote 10y plus x minus 10x plus y is equal to, they've given, sir, 1/11 of the total ages, sir. So I wrote 1/11 of 10y plus x plus 10x plus y, sir. So I got 9y minus 9x, sir. And then so then 1/11 is equal to substituting, I get 11y plus 11x, sir.
Very good. I could see a lot of improvement in your mathematics. Good. That you have improved a lot. And what about Aditya?
Yes, sir, 54.
Aditya?
45. 45 is the woman's age.
Okay. So what is the steps you have followed? Can you tell me the first equation alone?
Sir, 9y minus 9x is equal to 11x by x. I mean 11x by 11y by 11, sir.
Okay. I think now in this class, Sadhana Shri, do you have any thoughts like how this has to be done? Okay, let's see now this. So let x and y be the tens and units, digits respectively of the numerical denoting the women's age. Then the women's age is equal to 10x plus 5y years, because that is her husband's years. Husband age is equal to 10y plus x years. 10y plus x years. Okay. Therefore, 10y plus x minus 10x plus y, which is equal to 1/11. That is already told in the question. 1/11. Okay. Now, 10y plus x plus 10x plus y, which will be 9y minus 9x, which is equal to 1 by 11 into 11y plus 11x is equal to x plus y, which will be 10x is equal to 8y, and that is x is equal to 4 divided by 5y. So clearly y should be a single digit multiples of 5, which is 5. So x is 4 and y is 5. In that case, 45 will be the answer. Copy this and practice such questions again. Divya Shakti, this question will come in both the exams, NTSC and Olympiad examination. I think Aditya and like our Sharon is totally improved. They have improved a lot in this. I think they will be able to do this such questions. Really good. And
Thank you, sir.
yeah, I am totally disappointed with Mayuka. Mayuka was, where is Mayuka? Mayuka was having capacity to solve such problems, and she is totally away. Mayuka is totally away. And Divya, where are you, Divya?
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Divya, you was doing, like, I could see your test papers and all, you're doing better. And where is your calculation now, yeah?
Sir, can
Oh, let's go to the next one. The sum of the ages of 3 apples, A, B, C, and I would ask Hemant to answer me this. Where is Hemant? Yeah, Hemant will calculate and tell me the sum of the ages of 3 people. People A, that means person A, person B, person C. Hemant, don't switch off and go away. A, B, C, okay, which is 90 years. What would be the total of their ages 4 years back? Hemant, switch on your video, Hemant.
Sir, 78 years, sir.
No, I will, okay, who said that?
Divya Shakti.
Divya, wait, Divya. Hemant, tell me, Hemant.
Sir,
What is your first equation here? The
sir,
sum
I'm doing, sir.
you are, keep doing. It takes a lot of time. Maunita, can you tell me?
Sir,
Sir, doing, sir.
Yeah, I think Sharon completed, and 1 second. Sharon
Yes, sir.
is completed. Wait a second. I'll just ask others what has to be done. Mayuka is totally away from this. Mayuka has to be taken care. Mayuka. Divya, what you said, Divya?
78
the
years,
answer-
sir.
No, tell me the steps. Okay, don't go for a guess. Tell me the
Sir,
steps.
90 minus 3 into 4, sir.
90 minus 3 into 4. Why?
So, sum of their ages is 90, sir.
Okay, so A plus B plus C is equal to,
90, sir.
what's the first equation? A plus B plus C is equal to 90 years. Now, what would be the total age of total of their ages 4 years back? So, what will be the next equation?
So, A plus B plus C minus 3 into 4, sir.
3 into? Okay.
4. So, 4 years back.
What is the answer? You got 78. Aditya,
78, sir.
78. And Sharon? So the option goes like this. Is it clear? Required sum 90 minus 3 into 4, which is 78 years. Is it clear? All of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Similar questions which we have already done. We have done a question like this, right, Aditya?
Yeah, the answer is the same. Only the places differ, I think.
Please, I think I've taken the next one. Okay, then let's go to the next one. All right. This is the next question. Let's move to the next one. Hello. Divya Shakti. Sharon, are you doing?
Sir, yes, sir. 1 minute.
So Bullseye, a premier institute, organized a sports meet for its students where one fifth of the girls and one ninth of the boys participated? What was the total fraction of the students who had actually taken part A? 2 by 3. So what is the, sorry, A is the option 2 by 3.
Sir, is it data inadequate?
Let me understand. See, what we understand by fraction here?
A part of students, like.
So why Sharon said data is inadequate?
Sir, because the girls and the boys, the number is not adequate.
Boys and girls, the number is not given. The total number of girls and total number of boys is not given.
Yes, sir.
That's why, right? Aditya and Divya. So I think that that finding is correct, because option D, in this question we do not have the actual number of boys and girls, so we cannot find the fraction. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next one. So here Akbar, Birbal, Chaitanya, David and Ahsan play a game of coins. Akbar says to Birbal, if you give me 30 coins, you will have as many as Hassan. He has Hassan, and if I give you 30 coins, you will have as many as David has. Akbar and Birbal together have 100 coins, more than what David and Hassan together have. If Birbal has 20 coins, more than what Chaitanya has, and the total number of coins that they have is 1330. How many coins does Birbal have? In NTSC, this question will come, and don't come back to me and say that this kind of question is not discussed. So write down the conditions first, A, B, C, D, likewise. Mayuk, are you able to write the conditions of this question? You have to write like, if you give me 30 coins, you will have as many as Hassan has. That who said? Akbar says to Birbal. So Akbar to Birbal, what happens? If you give me 30 coins plus 30 coins, you will have as many as Hassan. So plus 30, which will be is equal to Hassan. Am I right? Anyone could join with the answer? What could be? Divashakti, I can't see you.
Sir, is it 250?
Sharon. Yeah, wait.
Sir, 250.
250. Okay, I'll ask you the step. Before that, I just wanted to ask one student. Maunita, what is the steps you have done?
Sir, I'm writing the given and doing.
Do you think you'll be able to find out the answer? Okay. Now, Sadhana Shri, any idea?
Sir, doing, sir.
Now let me ask Sharon what steps she has done.
Sir, in the given, sir, so it's given that Birbal has given 30 coins, sir. So so Birbal minus 30 is equal to Ahsan, sir.
Okay. Okay.
And then Birbal plus 30 is equal to David, sir.
Okay.
And then Akbar plus Birbal is equal to David plus Hasan plus 100, sir, because they're given over. That's given over there, sir. Akbar and Birbal will have 100 coins.
Correct.
And then adding that, you'll get 1330, sir. And then I got like put
So
two Birbal, sir.
what you do for Birbals have, like what is the calculation you have done? How many coins does Birbal have?
Sir, I got 250.
Okay, Aditya.
I've got Akbar as 230 coins, sir. But I think I'm wrong somewhere, so I'm trying to find out where.
How many coins does Birbal have? Okay, let's see. So 250 is the answer. Let's see the explanation clearly here. So Birbal minus 30 is which is equal to Hasan. This is what I said first. Okay, Birbal plus 30 which is equal to David, equation 2. Okay, Birbal minus 30 which is equal to Hasan, and that is equation number 1. Equation number 2 is Birbal plus 30 which is equal to David, which is equation number 2. Now Akbar plus Birbal equal to David plus Hasan, which is 100, equation number 3. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now Birbal equal to Chaitanya, which is talking about 20, and that is equation number 4. Okay. Now Akbar plus Birbal plus Chaitanya plus David plus Hasan, which will be total 1330. So from 1 and equation number 1, equation number 2, we have 2 Birbal equal to D plus E, which is equation number 6. Now from equation number 3rd, 6th, we have Akbar equal to Birbal, which is plus 100, which is equation number 7. So using 4, 6, 7 and 5, we get Birbal plus 100, Birbal minus 20 plus Birbal equal to 1330. In that case, 5 Birbal which is equal to 1250. So 1 Birbal is equal to 1250. Sorry, 250. Clear? Copied? You copy this? Steps very important, but such questions have to be practiced. I've taken only one questions of this model, but this has to be practiced. Okay, this kind of questions you can search and practice. Understood? I think everyone copied. Let's move on to the next one. Very simple. I expect at least this answer from Hemant, Maunita, Mayuka and all. Not at all talking anything to me in this class. What will be the product of all the numbers on a telephone? What do you mean by product, Hemant?
Sir, I think none of
Product, okay, Divya, wait, I'll come back to you. I'm asking a question to Hemant. Hemant, what do you mean by product?
So multiplication.
At least, okay, very good. So, Mayuka, keep the videos on. I said keep the videos on. Right, okay. So, Sharon?
Sir, it will be none of these, sir, because it will be multiplied with 0, sir.
Aditya?
None of these, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to the answer, because it says that explanation one of the numbers on the telephone will be 0, which gives us the product of all the numbers as 0. Wonderful thinking. Good. Let's move to the next one. The next question is on the screen. So 12 into 12 which equal to 9 and 23 into 23 which equal to 16. In that case 34 into 34 will be what? Use your idea and use your analytical thinking. Use your power to calculate. Mayuka, can you tell me, yaar? Monita, can you tell me? Divya Shakti, I can't see you.
Sir, I'm trying.
Sir, is it 25, sir?
Sir, 20, sir.
Who said 20?
Sir, Maunita.
Monita said 20. And Sharon, I will ask Monita why it is 20, Monita.
Sir, in alphabetical order, if we write 34, if we count it, it will come 10, sir. Into, again, we have to count that 34 and it will come 10.
How 34 alphabetic order it is 10? 34, how you have taken it in alphabetical order it is 10? How it's been done?
Sir, 34, THIRTY, like that. We have to count, sir.
Tell me, Sharon.
Sir, so 12 into 12 is 144, sir. 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 9, sir.
Wonderful.
And
Wonderful.
23 into 23 is 529. 5 plus 2 plus 9 is 10, sir.
Good, good.
And 34 into 34 is 1156, sir. So 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 13.
Aditya? Is it
Sir, I
okay?
didn't get the answer, sir.
Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah. Look at this. 12 into 12 is 144.
Sir,
I know. Tell me.
I have done a different method, sir.
What is a different method? Let us understand.
So first row it is 1, 2, sir. 12 into 12. Then second row is 2, 3, sir. First row 1, 2. Second row 2, 3. And third row 3, 4, sir.
Okay. So what is the
In
answer?
order. And in the first row it is 3 square, sir. Second row it is 4 square, sir.
Okay. So what will be the answer?
So I think third row is 5 square, sir. 25.
Okay. Let's see. What has happened here? 12 into 12, which talks about 144. That is calculated as 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is 9. So here at 23 into 23, how much you got? 23 into 23 is how much?
529.
So 5 plus 2 plus 9, 16. Likewise, 34 into 34 is how much?
1156.
1156.
So 1 plus 0 plus, sorry, 1156. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6. Am I right? How much it comes?
30.
30. Aditya, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 3.
1 3 is coming. Answer is 1 3, right? Okay. Next question. Proceeding up the staircase, the numbers from a logical sequence, what number belongs on the top step? Monita, Mayuka, I can't hear Mayuka. Where is Mayuka?
Sir, is it 840?
I'll come back to you. Give me a second. Let me check with girls. Mayuka is not telling anything.
Sir, just a minute.
Mayuka is not telling. Monita is not telling. Sathanashri is not talking to me anything. I want everyone to speak. Hemant. Gopi Krishna, where are you? Is he there? I think he's left. He's not able to join back. I think so. Okay. Let's see this. What happens? So, any guessing, Sharon? No guessing.
No, sir.
So this is a logical thinking question, and it says like this. Answer is 840 as Aditya calculated. Each number is found by multiplying the number that corresponds to its steps by the number that precedes it. What happens here? What happens here? Mayuka, what happens here? How the answer has come? Hello?
Sir, can't understand, sir.
Let's see. Listen, this 7 is there, right? Hello? Are you able to see my cursor? 7?
Yes, sir.
7 into 1 of the step. 7, this step is first step. So 7 into 1? Hello?
7.
Right. Okay. Next one. No, what next? Next is what? What is the steps? Second steps. How do you?
7 into 2.
7 into 2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Second steps. Third, what you did? 42. 14 into?
14 into 3.
14 into 3. Because this is third step. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So 14 into 3, 42. Now 42 into 4, fourth steps. 168. 168 into 5, fifth step. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Mayuka?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you, Hemant, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Very simple. Find a pair that's similar to the given pair of numbers. 180 is to 90. Quick.
B, sir.
B, 2 is to 1.
B, sir.
So what is the first condition? On the top it is like 2x is to 1x. No, 2x is to 1. Is that correct? Aditya?
Sir, they've asked for like a pair similar to 180 is to 90. 180 by 90 is
Here it is 2x, na? 2x, na? 180 is 2x, 2x is to 1.
1.
2x is to 2. No, 2x is to 1. Correct. So let's see. So 2x is to 1. That is x. 2x is to x is the relationship. In that case, B is the answer because 90 into 2 is 180. 90 into 2 is 180. So here 1 into 2 is 2. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So here cube is related to square in the same way as square is related to what? A cube in size. Let's see the size. The size of a cube is square. That's what it says. The cube related to square. So in that case, square is related to what?
Line.
Line, sir.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Line.
Line. Great. Line. Understood now? Line. Next one. Current is related to ampere in the same way as weight is related to what? The measurement of or the current is measured. How it has been measured? So what happens here?
Pound, sir.
Sorry?
Yes,
3
sir.
up.
Pound. Okay,
Pounds.
let's see. So current is measured in terms of ampere and weight is measured in terms of pound. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Ship is related to captain in the same way as newspaper is related to what?
editor.
Editor.
Are you sure? Are you all sure? Are you all sure? All right. Let's go. Next question. Yeah, try this. If x stands for minus and division stands for plus and plus stands for division and minus stands for x, which one of the following equation is correct? This comes from mathematical operations and this question in every time in NTSC and Olympiad, this kind of two questions you can expect. Two questions of the same method can be expected. So first of all, write down the symbols like multiplication equal to subtraction and division equal to addition. Likewise, you write first. Okay, multiplication equal to subtraction and division equal to multiplication. Sorry, addition. Likewise, you write first. Then you apply this into this. Apply and see which equation will be correct. Right. So, any thinking? Do you have any thinking on this? Well, let's go to the next one because time is less, and I think I have few more problems to show you. So let's go to the next one. Any idea, Maunita, Mayuka, and all? Mayuka, I can't see you. Yeah. Divya Shakti, I can't see you. Divya, where are you? I can't see you. Yes. All right, so I think you are taking more time
So
on
the
that.
second one, sir, second one would be the right answer.
Using the proper signs, we get expression. First one, a, which is 15 into 5 plus 5 minus 20 divided by 10. As per the sign, it will be 15 into 5 plus, see, as per the expressions given, the interchanging the sign, you get 78 here. Here you get 8. And so B the true, right? Yeah, so B is the correct answer. This, but you need to calculate and see, you won't get much time. But you need to simply interchange. First of all, you need to write
Sir,
down.
I too did like this only.
Yeah, good. So try to write down the simples first and apply it into the problems, then find out. Okay. Let's move to the next one. So B is the correct answer. This is very simple. Look into this. You have to give the expressions here. 12M, 12D, 28P, 7M, 5. If P means division, P means addition, M means subtraction, and D means multiplication, then what will be the value of the expression? So 12 minus 12, D, that means 12 into 28, P division, 28 divided by 7, then M, then you use BODMAS rule. After that, use BODMAS rule, okay? So what is the answer? Hello?
Sir, minus 21.
Minus 21. Okay. Wait for one more student. Let me see one more. At this my time of calculation, 10 standard students. Aditya, where are you? Calculated?
Yes, sir.
So how much it comes? Mayuka, how much it comes? Mayuka, are you able to understand this M? In the place of M, what will come?
Sir,
What will come in the place of M? M means subtraction, so 12 minus. Okay.
yes, sir, subtraction.
Then 12D. D means what?
Plus
Multiplication.
addition.
Yeah, likewise. So I think let's see the answer now. It's taking more time. Minus 21. Okay, so 12M, 12D, 28P, 70 is written as 12 minus 12 into 28 divided by 7 plus 15. So what we do when in Bodmer's rule, if you do this, we'll be able to get minus 21.
Can you go to the previous slide for a second? Sir, it was M5, sir. But the answer was based on T15.
What?
Sir, I think the question, sir, it was M5, sir. That is minus 5, no, sir.
7 minus M means what? Subtraction. 7 minus 5. That is written here.
Sir, it should be T5.
It will be T15 then over there. It must be T15 and not M5.
Which one? This one?
I mean the last two numbers, last two variables, it must be T15, not M5 then, sir. Because that way you'll get minus 41.
Right, okay. So here it is T. Then what will be the value of expression 12M? Okay. Which T you are talking to me?
I'm talking about the last one, sir. The capital M should be replaced with T.
Correct. Yes, sorry, yeah. 75. 70. This should be T.
Yes, sir.
As per this, correct. So, yeah. Here I've written, I think so, right?
Sir.
Correct. In the question there is a wrong. Wait, okay. So it is 70. So let's see the next one. Simply to think. There's nothing too much work out on this. Just think and let me know. Refresh your brain. Quickly go to the
Sir, I think the fourth one, sir.
Four.
Sir, little Mary, sir, she's not a man nor a woman. She'll be a little.
Wonderful, great thinking. So let's see. So the cops should shoot any man or woman, but Mary is not an adult. All right, next one. Took. Yeah, logical thinking. Sometimes we have to twist our brain and take away from analytical and academical ability and look forward for the situational approach. In MBA, when you study in the higher classes in MBA, there is a area called the situational approach. It's a great and vast area. How do you react according to the situational, and how do you find solutions based on the situations? So what will happen here? I think Mayuga.
Sir, I think
yes,
the second coffee will be sweet, I think.
Second coffee was sweet.
Sweet, I think so.
Why? Why it was sweet?
So that he got over sweet.
Overheat or sweet?
Sweet.
Yeah, let's see. So Mayuka has little bit started thinking. The second coffee was sweet already because he had put sugar in the first cup before finding the fly. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I think it's over for me in the class. So I just bought in. So look at this. What all the questions which we have discussed today is very much important, and hope you all will see. Few students, let me tell you, Aditya, Sharon, and Divya, and a lot of improvements. Others into mental ability, like who are doing best, like Mayuka and all was really doing good, better in the beginning. but I couldn't see that it has been followed so far. And Hemant during our classes, like he was little slow to work out, but he was working out. But that same kind of energy to work out is not shown in the classes. So you may have to develop on that, work hard. In Sadhana Shri and all, like, you have capacities to calculate, and so to improve your calculation, mental ability is one big area that you practice on daily basis. So you will be able to crack any kind of competitive and such entrance examinations. So hope everybody enjoyed the class. Keep practicing.
Yes, sir.
And I'll come to you soon with some actions from Guruji that we would like to see you one day in case the school is postponed for starting, and so we'll be calling you for a day for meeting with us. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.